I'm Rachel Robertson. I'm Director of Campaign and Journey Development here at Ascend. I've been with Ascend for almost 18 years. Campaign and Journey Development encompasses management of the platforms like Marketo, HubSpot, Pardot, Salesforce. So we've built a practice of experts that are hands-on keyboard in the platforms, doing everything around campaign development. So building out the campaigns, building out the assets related to campaigns, workflows, advanced data handling, audience management. We have a high focus around campaign optimization. So really elevating campaign performance, digging into insights and how can we continuously optimize, not setting it and forgetting it. What sets Ascend apart is that we're relationship forward, we're people-centric. We really take a lot of pride in investing in our people, our teams, and then also our clients, and elevating clients and making them look good.